Hi there guys, welcome back to the first property. Back in here today, wanted to do a little update video, show you how everything's gone, what's happened since the last video. Still quite a lot of progress been made, but we're still in a very messy condition. So hopefully you can sort of see what's happened, but appreciate the fact it's still very, very mucky. Let's have a look around. Guys, hope you enjoyed that little tour around. Struggling to find a place to get the camera up in here at the minute. It's a bit of a tip. So some of the things that have changed and quite noticeably changed is there's a lot of electric and plumbing runs throughout the property, which have left the gaps in the flooring. All the windows have been delivered, so they're all stood up by the windows they'll be put in place. The window contractor that we've got has currently got a job on at the minute, so we'll be joining us tail end of this week, start of next, to get that installed. And the other main difference is the window and door in the kitchen have been moved round, so they're now where we want them. We've got a new wall built underneath where the door was, and also all the brick knocked out for where the door will be. So I'll give you a little tour around those things and sort of discuss them in further detail now. So let's have a little talk through the electrics and plumbing runs. So at the minute, as you can see, just looking down here as well, got a bit of a few stepping stones and lots of missing floorboards. So what we've done here is effectively rerun all of the electrics and plumbing for the entire property. It was very old, it wasn't suitable for the task anymore, along with changing the boiler to sort of put this property back up to scratch for modern specifications and hopefully give it a good resale value. So just probably the easiest place to see it is in here. So we're going to make our way down. So the white pipes are the plumbing and the grey pipes are the electrics. These have been done throughout the property. Obviously when it's finished, these will be socketed up with double sockets, USB ports, again over there. Obviously what we've got to do is put the plaster on the walls first, especially on these walls where there's absolutely none left, and then install the sockets over the top to obviously give it a good finish. But just in the process of getting that done, and we'll give you an update when it's all finished. So another thing that we mentioned in the previous video was the soil stack. So as you can see, we've currently moved that down by about 3 inches, 4 inches. So that the new toilet can be installed onto the end of that. Not particularly expensive materials, but can be quite a pain to move. And as you can see as well, all of the extra plumbing required for the bathroom present in that corner. So when we get all the bathroom installed, I'll drop a video with exactly how that now looks, as I'm sure it will look completely different to it is now, and hopefully in some livable conditions. So these are the windows that have been delivered. As you can see, that the glass panes are separate on the floor there, and the panels and the casing is there. So what we're looking to do is take all of these existing bay windows out and replace them with new PVC windows, good double glazing. One of the main things you can increase the value of property is new windows, because they are quite a pain, as it does damage all of the surrounding brickwork and plaster, which needs to be fixed. So this is a key area for the property that we're looking to increase the value, increase the resale value. So when we've got those installed, I'll do another tour video and I can show you exactly what they look like once installed, and obviously show you the difference it can make. So this is the kitchen dining room area, and we've had the kitchen all designed now with a breakfast bar. Looking forward to getting that finished so I can give you a little tour around that. The main things that have changed in here is the window and door have been swapped round. So you can see the brickwork hasn't been painted over here. So there's a new wall installed where the where the door used to be, and now is a window. And we've currently got the new door panelled over, so there's no security issues when there's no door installed. So that's all been swapped round. Wait for the new window to be installed and the new door to be installed. The other main area which we've seen a huge difference is just up here. So we've had a skylight installed, and as you can tell from the clip there, it is bringing in a lot more light into the room. We've since installed the wood casing, which what we'll do is install panels on that and then plaster over the top. So bring it down to a very nice finish and really bring this room to life. So obviously looking forward to getting that done, but we're just waiting for the windows to be installed so we can get the plastering team in to plaster all that over. So one of the main things that's changed since the last video is the delivery of the windows. So as you can see just there, the windows have been delivered. We're currently waiting on the Windows contractor to come back in and install them. It's currently on a job at the minute, so as soon as we've got him back in, I'll be helping him install those, and hopefully we can see some big progress on the property.